I'm gonna eat that right now. Tacos and macaroni. Yep, yummy, right? Looks good. Hey, going to show you guys my unboxing stuff, what I got for Christmas this year, 2023. I'm gonna unbox it for you guys, show you the unboxing, okay? Okay, so let me change the camera, okay? First, this RCA Universal Streaming Recharge Remote for my streaming services. I could use it for anything that requires Bluetooth. Supposedly, I don't know if it works on everything, but it works on whatever it says there. Roku, Fire TV, App TV, Xbox, and a lot more says. It could access Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, and YouTube. But, yep, you could pause the video if you like. I recommend for you guys to get this remote if you guys don't have it. I heard it's good things, but let's check it out. Let's unbox it, obviously. That's the video about. I can only do it with one hand, by the way, because the other hand I'm busy recording, obviously, using my Samsung Galaxy S20 FE Fan Edition. Obviously, the phone is from 2020, obviously. So anyway, let me take out this controller. That's the box. Code for what else? I don't know. Here's the instructions. And needs to be the charger because by the way, look, I like it because you could charge it with USB Type C, the ones that come with your cell phone. You could charge it. No more batteries. I like it. Should come with a USB-C charger and no brick. No brick, right? Like always on the new tech, we don't get no brick. So anyway, you could read that. If you like, pause the video, obviously, all the information. Anyway, all that. And the charger, Type C, but I don't think I'm going to use this. It's too small. I'll just use it. I use the charger from my phone. Easy as that. So yeah, I'm going to connect this to my Olivia Shield, my TV. I don't know how, but I figure it out. Okay. Now I want to unbox this 8-bit dual USB wireless adapter 2. Look. Supposedly it's universal. It works when you connect this USB adapter to game consoles to make the game controllers universal, to make it work on any console. Or maybe not every console, but más o menos, more or less. It says controller compatible with PS4 Pro, PS3, Xbox Series X, Series S, Xbox One Bluetooth controller, Nintendo Switch. Wow, look, a lot of them, and they do mention it. So, and the rest that they don't mention, I have no idea. So anyway, Nintendo Switch Pro, the Nintendo Switch original, uh, Nintendo Wii Pro. Wow. 8-bit dual Bluetooth controller. Wow. Pretty much work for a lot of stuff that has USB thingy connected, and it says that what I said was compatible with. You could pause the video and read that. 1, 2, few seconds. I don't know. I don't know if it's good. If you can read it, it's blurry or not. I don't know. So anyway, let's open it up. Open it up. I'm gonna open it, I guess, through here. The bottom is easier or not. On bottom. No, on top is easier. I think. On the bottom. Yeah, I got it from the bottom, obviously. Yep. USB, so I could use any game console controller. Or not every controller. Not every controller. Hear me out. Just Bluetooth controllers, obviously. You cannot use this with the old school that is not Bluetooth controller. Of course, only Bluetooth controllers compatible with, obviously. So here it is. Nothing else inside, obviously. It's just a USB. What else could be? Instructions. Am I gonna use them? Who knows? Or maybe it's simple. Who knows? And here it is. We're very tiny. Nothing else. Here it is. And where's the USB? I have no idea. How do I do this? Oh, here it is. I wasn't sure if it was this side or this side, so I was just guessing. So you plug in this to your game system, and supposedly I make my research. That's why I wanted this. Oh, you press the sync button there, and it syncs to the controller, and apparently it should work for any USB, I'm assuming. I don't know if everything. I guess just the stuff that they mentioned here compatible with. I'm guessing. I really don't know what systems are not compatible with. But technically, a lot. Anyway, here it is. Tiny. Yep. Maybe I'll do a video how you pair it or something. I don't know. We'll see. Eating cake pink for Christmas. After Christmas. Yummy. Yummy.